Look at them just tearing those fish up. That's so cool watching them eat feed. I was blessed to have a pond that you can see all the way down to the bottom. Pretty cool. Another big brook trout sitting right there. I'm counting 5 that I see right now. That one still has a big old shiner hanging out of his mouth. Oh, that one just grabbed another one, feeding on it. Two trout playing tug of war, look at that. And we got some more eating them over there. I love coming down here about this time, just watch them feed. I mean, sure, I can come down here and catch fish in my own pond, but it's not fun. They're getting ready to chase some more. I've had these brook trout 4 years, and they say that they only last for 5, so I don't know. I haven't found no dead ones yet.